Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Talk 2021. I really appreciate the views I have received from my last few videos. If you are planning to upgrade your home entertainment setup without spending a fortune, well, you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to explore top 5 43-inch 4K smart TVs under 30,000 rupees in 2025. These TVs combine cutting-edge technology, stunning visual, and smart features to give you a cinematic experience right at home, all while being budget-friendly. So sit back and relax as we are going to break down the specification, features, and real-world performance of these TVs. So let's get started. Starting off, our list is LG UHD TV UR75, priced at approximately 29,990. LG has always been synonymous with quality, and this model is no exception. It comes with 43-inch 4K Ultra HD display, boasting a resolution of 4K pixels, expect vibrant colors, excellent sharpness, and great viewing angle, making it perfect for both bright and dark rooms. The 43-inch 4K Ultra HD LED panel delivers a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, ensuring razor-sharp images. LG's True Color Accuracy enhances color reproduction, making it vibrant yet natural. What sets this TV apart is the HDR10 Pro technology, which adjusts brightness and contrast frame by frame, giving you incredible details in both bright and dark side rooms. Whether it's a dimly lit thriller or a bright nature documentary, this TV handles it effortlessly. The viewing angles are superb thanks to LG's IPS panel technology, making it ideal for family movie nights where everyone gets a good view. The TV uses LG AI-powered Web OS platform, which is intuitive and packed with apps like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney Plus Hotstar. Audio performance is decent with 20 watts output, enhanced by AI Sound Pro, which adjusts audio setting based on the content you are watching. For connectivity, you get 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. Now let's talk about the Magic Remote, a game changer for many. It's ergonomically designed and features voice control via Alexa and Google Assistants, making navigation and searches seamless. Let's talk about the customer feedback about this TV. People rave about this natural picture quality. With great color reproduction, the Magic Remote is a standout, praised for its precision and ease of use. However, some users feel the sound could have been louder for the larger rooms. At number 2, we have TCL C655 QLED TV, priced at 28,990. TCL has made a name for itself with its affordable yet premium quality TVs, and this one is no different. This model features quantum dot technology for enhanced brightness, richer color, and better contrast than regular LED TVs. The 4K resolution combined with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision ensures lifelike visuals, whether you are watching movies, sports, or gaming. The quantum dot technology in this TV offers over a billion colors with stunning accuracy. Whether you are watching colorful animated movies or nature documentaries, the color pops off the screen without looking oversaturated. It supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus, which work together to enhance contrast and brightness level dynamically. This means you will see bright whites, deep blacks, and everything in between with outstanding details. The panel's peak brightness is impressive for its price, making it suitable for rooms with a lot of ambient light. Additionally, TCL's AI picture engine optimizes sharpness and motion, ensuring smooth visual during fast movie scenes. It's powered by Google TV, offering access to thousands of apps, personalized recommendation, and built-in Google Assistant for hands-free control. The setup audio includes 24-watt speaker with Dolby Atmos, creating a surround sound effect immersive experience. Connectivity is versatile with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and supports Bluetooth 5.0. The remote is straightforward with quick access button for Netflix, YouTube, and other popular apps. It also supports voice commands. Let's talk about customer feedback about this TV. The color accuracy and sharpness are frequently praised by users, making it great choice for movie lovers. The integration with Google TV is seamless. Coming in third is the Toshiba C350NP, priced at 25,999. If you are looking for a TV that offers great value for money, this is one for you. It has a 4K Ultra HD resolution paired with Toshiba's Rexa Engine 4K, which optimizes picture quality by enhancing sharpness and reducing motion blur. This TV supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, which makes it capable of handling high dynamic range content beautifully. Whether you are watching a Netflix original or Blu-ray movie, expect lifelike visual. Its direct LED backlighting helps improve contrast, though it might not match the brightness of the higher-end model in very bright mood. The Google TV platform ensures smooth navigation, access to all major streaming services, and voice assistant functionality. The sound system includes 20-watt speaker with Dolby Audio, which deliver clear dialogue and decent bass for smaller to medium-sized room. Like others, it offers 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, ensuring you can easily connect gaming consoles, set-top boxes, and external devices. The remote is lightweight and simple, with voice control support for hands-free usage. Let's talk about the customer feedback. Many users love the picture quality and smooth interface, especially for the price. However, a few noted that the audio output might require a soundbar for a richer experience. Many buyers call this TV a hidden gem, with some saying the Dolby Vision support at this price is a game changer. However, it's best suited for darker and moderately lit room for an optimal experience. At number 4, we have the Hisense E7K, priced at 27,999. This TV brings QLED technology to a budget-friendly price point. The quantum dot technology delivers stunning colors, deeper black, higher brightness level, making it ideal for watching HDR content. This TV is equipped with HDR10 Plus and HLG, which dynamically adjusts contrast and brightness based on content. The result, a cinematic experience at home. Another highlight is its full array local dimming, which improves black levels and contrast ratio, making it perfect for watching dark, atmospheric movies. It's powered by a VIDAA operating system, which is lightweight and snappy. While not as feature-packed as Google TV, it covers the basic with popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. The audio features 24-watt speaker with Dolby Atmos, offering a wide sound stage that perfects for movies and music. Connectivity options: 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and Bluetooth support. The remote is compact and features quick access button for popular apps, along with built-in voice assistant. If I just talk about the customer feedback, user highlight is impressive picture quality, calling it's a great choice for vibrant, colorful visual. The VIDAA's operating system is fast and simple, but some feel its app library is limited compared to Android and Google TV. Finally, we have VUGLO, which is Glow LED 4K KA, priced at 25,999 rupees. This TV is a dream for all those prioritize audio quality. It offers 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing excellent sharpness and contrast. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG, ensuring rich contrast and vibrant colors. Whether you are streaming content in 4K or watching live sports, visuals are immersive. The adaptive motion sensor improves fast-moving scenes, making it a fantastic choice for sports fans and gamers. The audio setup is where it shines, featuring 84 watts built-in soundbar with a 20 watt subwoofer. Whether you are watching action-packed movies or listening to music, this TV delivers room-filling sound. The smart platform is Google TV, giving you an access to a wide range of apps and games. It also features 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports for external devices. The remote is user-friendly with voice control and quick access button for apps like Netflix and Prime Video. If I just talk about the customer feedback, the audio quality is frequently highlighted as a standout feature. It's perfect for those who love immersive sound without needing a separate soundbar. Some users, however, have reported slight issue with motion handling during fast-paced scenes. Let's talk about the conclusion. And that wraps up our list of top 5 43-inch 4K Smart TV under 30,000 rupees in 2025. Whether you are a movie buff or a gamer, or just looking for a reliable TV for everyday use, there's something for everyone here. Let's recap what exactly we have discussed in this particular video. First one is LG offers natural color and exceptional viewing angle. TCL impresses with quantum dot technology and Dolby Vision. Toshiba delivers solid HDR performance at an affordable price. Hisense shines with full array local dimming and cinematic visual. VU offers incredible brightness and HDR adaptability for all environments. When choosing, consider your room lighting and how you plan to use the TV. If you are into gaming and streaming HDR content, models with quantum dot and Dolby Vision are the way to go. Remember, when choosing a TV, consider factors like your room size, preferred operating system, and whether you need additional features like superior audio and vibrant display technology. If you have enjoyed this video, find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more such tech reviews. Also, let us know in the comments which TV you are planning to buy, or if you have any question, we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy shopping.